Start, camera, action, cut.
Hi friends, welcome to the Indian Reactors.
Hi, good morning.
Yeah, it's like 11 o'clock in the morning, right?
Yes.
So we are back in Mani's place in Bangalore.
Yeah.
And we will be going, I think we will be finishing the season 3 today, most probably.
Yeah.
And we will just go through what we have seen so far in the last episode.
Yeah.
Like a quick review. Preview, I think.
Yes.
So we saw Bran and Osha, and they are not going to meet Jones now.
Yeah.
Bran want to go after the three-eyed raven.
Yes. Whatever way three-eyed raven is following, he wanted to go that way.
Yeah. And we have Jon and Ygritte, and Jon telling them that you cannot beat the war.
Yes. Because they don't have the discipline to fight.
And we had actually a very long discussion about this topic in the last episode.
Yeah.
So we'll be moving ahead, and we have Rob with his plans.
Yeah.
Lord Edmure will be marrying one of Walder Frey's daughters. And we have the new guy. His name is Darion Harris with Dany.
Yes. The second sons.
Yeah, he is one of the second sons. Actually, three were there. He killed two. He is only one remaining.
Yes, remaining. And now the second sons, his life, his heart, whatever.
That's what he is
Dany.
saying.
Yes.
You think he will be like faithful to Dany, or?
The way it is been shown, it looks like she has made a plan, and she has made him by her side. And see the type of weapon which they are using. It is same like the Dothraki weapon, like that sickle shape. Yes. So I think there may be something.
Some relation.
Maybe something because of this one I am telling, and he has got long hairs.
Yeah.
So these two made me to think that he may be having some relation with the Dothrakis. Yeah.
And we have seen that Arya and the Hound is near the twins, which is Walder Frey's
place.
Palace.
Yes.
And they are near the Red Fork.
Yeah.
The river which is running through under the twins.
Okay.
And the last scene we have Sam killing a White Walker.
White Walker, which was never expected, and which was very. That is a very quick roll through.
Yeah.
White Walkers.
And we are also seeing a lot of crows.
Yeah.
In the location.
Yes.
What do you think the significance of the crows will be like? When the White Walker is coming, the crows are there, and like in season 2, episode 9, there were no crows.
Yes.
Just the White Walkers coming.
Yeah.
Any ideas? Nothing.
Maybe a warning type. But they
also ravens. We are not sure.
We are not sure. So it looks like a warning either to the characters, or it looks like a warning to us, stating that if you find ravens or crows flying towards the other side of the wall, it indicates the presence of White Walker. Maybe, and but we have not heard crows when the White Walker's presence was noticed by Custer.
Yeah,
Custer. So at that time the crows were not there.
Yeah.
So but this time when the White Walker was coming to take the baby, the crows signaled them.
Yeah.
So it looks like He is getting some clue.
Yeah.
Maybe intentionally or unintentionally, the crows are there, and the crowding of the crows. First we saw one or two, then they came in packs or flocks. So that gave some instinct to both of them, the Custer's daughter and Jon Snow, that something is there. So what it was sure when he has saw the thing. Yeah. So some indication is given, something good or something bad is happening to them. So it looks like a sort of signaling.
Yeah. And what will be your predictions for, like, we have just 2 episodes left for the season?
Same thing we have told, like
Weddings.
And 2 reunions, Arya's and Jaime Lannisters. And what is the plan of Littlefinger also has to be seen.
Yeah, he was missing for like 2 episodes.
2 episodes. Last to last, after his epic speech, he is
missing in action.
He is missing in action. It's a great miss for spectators like us.
Like there is nothing to discuss because we have already discussed this in the episode 8.
I think our review was quite exhaustive. I think we took
for the episode 8.
1.5 hours just to explain the methodology why Jon Snow is thinking that they will not be able to defeat.
So guys, we will be starting with season 3 episode 9. So the review will be after the
once the episode is
obviously. So guys, let's get started.
My granddaughter Marianne, my granddaughter Freya, my granddaughter Werther, Waldina.
I'm married.
Fine. And here's my youngest daughter, Shireen. Though she hasn't bled yet, clearly you don't have the patience for all that.
You know all that from staring at marks on the paper?
Yes.
You're like a wizard.
It's a very naive comment.
Actually, he wanted to be a wizard. Once he was telling Jon, I want to be a wizard.
No, the naive comment of her
Father used to tell us that
staring at the marks
on paper.
here we are. Alive.
Roads have gone right to hell, haven't they? Cracked 3 spokes this morning.
Need a hand.
Need about 8 hands. Got to get this sold home to the twins in time for the wedding. Many thanks.
Don't kill him.
Dead rats don't squeak.
You're so dangerous, aren't you? Saying scary things to little girls. Killing little boys and old people. A real hard man you are.
More than anyone you know.
You're wrong. I know a killer. A real killer.
That's so.
You'd be like a kitten to him. He'd kill you with his little finger.
That him?
No?
Good.
Don't kill him. Please. Please don't.
You're very kind. Someday it'll get you killed.
Think the crow kill him. You're one of us now. Prove it.
Wolves are out there. I can't do it by choice. I don't know how. It happens in my dreams. You're a warg, Bran. It's in your blood. I can't. You just did with him. Wolf is nothing compared to that.
She looks sharp.
Do it. Do it.
Told you. He's still one of them. Come on, boy. Come on. crow. He'll always be a crow. And here's his crow wife guarding him. He'll stab us in the back first chance he gets.
Kill him!
He's one of them! Do you hear me? You're not gonna die for one of them!
Do it. They'll find us if you don't.
You were right the whole time.
That one was quick.
There may be others. I doubt it. The Inquis prefer to let their slaves do their fighting for them. That's what you call a few guards.
Lord Edmure, I hope I'm not a disappointment to you.
She was not in the lot which was shown before.
Yes.
He is happy.
You may now cloak the bride and bring her under your protection.
This is the same custom as the Lannisters.
Yeah, cloaking the bride.
Sight of the seven, I hereby seal these two souls, binding them as one for eternity. Look upon each other and say the words.
Father, Smith, warrior, Mother, She is mine. From this day until the end of my days.